You
Good
too.
morning.
As Mr. Butler will tell you, we're in court. Your clients need to be on, just like we're in court. No one is excused until your work is done, neither you nor your clients. So if you ask me if your client can be excused, your client cannot be excused. Okay? So, and as you came in, Ms. Castillo will bring you in. You need to tell me what you need to do or what to do. And if you need to confer, you confer, and we'll go from there. And if you want a trial, you're gonna have to have a discovery acknowledgement done. All right, Mr. Butler, do you want to say anything, please?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Judge. Morning, everybody. County Court 9 is now in session. The Honorable Judge Raymond Angelini presiding. May I remind everybody that this proceeding is on YouTube Live being recorded. Conduct yourselves as if you were inside this courtroom at all times. If you must conduct any business other than what is in this proceeding, please disable your video. It's distracting to everyone else. If you're driving, pull over, remove hats. Counselors, may I remind you, as it was sent to you in the email, have case numbers and page numbers ready for the judge when he calls you to make announcements. This has been a problem in the past, so please make sure you have case numbers and page numbers so this proceeding moves along speedily. Let's have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, good morning, everybody. The first one on the docket would be Miss Ashley Morgan. If we can have the page and case number ready.
Good morning. I am on Brooke Peterson. The cause number is 667447. I'm looking up that page number for you right now. I just lost it. And she is present.
I got it. Brooke
That-
Peterson?
I would like to confer and potentially reset for a plea.
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Morgan, let me put you in. Just gonna open all rooms, nobody goes in. Let's see. All right, next one, Mr. Jeffrey Martinez. Mr. Jerry Martinez. Okay, he must be busy. Let's go to Miss Lauren Lefton.
Hi, Judge. Hi.
Morning.
I'm here on Michael Runnels. It's the second case on page 4, case number 656989.
Okay,
He
is he a fugitive?
I'm sorry, what?
Is he a fugitive?
He is a fugitive, but he is present. There was a bond increase.
He needs
I'd like
put
to,
himself in.
that's fine. Can I speak with the DA today?
You can, but nothing's gonna happen, or you gotta turn himself in
I totally understand that.
right now. Okay.
Okay, if I could go to a breakout room, that'd be great.
Okay, let's put you in. Attorney. Okay, the next one would be Mr. Bobby Barrera.
Your Honor, good morning. I'm a recall. I don't see us on the docket, but the cause number is 672755. You told me to get with state. We have an agreement to apply for pretrial diversion. And Ryan Martinez.
Okay, we'll reset it till next Tuesday. If he's applied, fine. If he hadn't, then I need him and you back.
Okay.
He's got obligations. I know they won't make a decision for a long time, but he can do it right now.
He can do what? I'm sorry?
He can apply. He can. fill out-
Yeah, okay. We'll get the application filed, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Barrera, was this on Mr. Ryan Joseph Murphy?
Yes, I've got the cause number, but I didn't
Okay.
see him on the
Yeah.
page.
No, he was one of the attachments. Thank you, sir. We'll put
Okay.
you down for March 1st.
March 1st. Thank you all. Have a great day.
You too. Be careful.
Hey, Miss Stephanie Stevens.
Good morning, Your Honor. We are on page 6. I believe it is the second case, and it is cause number 664885. Stefan Tugio is how they have it listed there.
Okay,
He is present, Your Honor, and we do need to confer with the prosecutors. We're still missing some discovery, I believe.
okay. See if they got it for you. If not, come back and see me and let's see if we can figure it out. Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
sure.
And Judge, could we also have the student attorneys who are with us from the clinic go to the breakout room with us? It's Maria Diaz and Madison Schultz. They have
Sure.
a,
I have no problems with that.
okay, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, so it would be Ann Burnham.
Yes,
Ann
please.
Burnham.
Yes,
Wait, aren't you in the same case, Ann?
I am. Yes, I am, Your Honor. I'm here as well on Stephen Tugo Tugo.
Okay.
Okay, also go into that room then.
Thank you.
Let's see. All right, the next one would be Silverio Martinez. Silverio Martinez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What's your case?
Your Honor, I have two individuals on the, actually it's three. All of them are set for pleas.
I'm sorry. I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
I think my internet is a little
There,
spotty. Is
there. Okay.
that better?
Yes, that
Okay.
is.
Okay, I was saying I have three individuals on the docket. It's Enedelia Ponce is one of them. The other one is Pablo Salazar. And the last one is David Rodriguez.
Are they-
All of them are set for a plea, Your Honor. However, I'm still a little confused about logistically how Bear County does pleas because I received agreements to forfeit, but I did not receive any plea agreements on those three. So if I could just have a few minutes to maybe confer or break
Sure.
out with the DA and see what they're doing.
Sure, no problem at all. And
Thank
your
you.
clients are present, right?
They should be. I will verify that, but I will make sure they are. when
David
we-
Rodriguez, are you here?
I'm present, Your Honor.
Okay, and Ponce, and then Delia Ponce,
Yes, sir. I'm present, Your Honor.
and Pablo Salazar? Pablo Salazar? Find out where he is, Mr. Martinez, or it'll be his bond forfeiture.
I will do that, Your Honor.
Okay, the next one would be Mr. Brian O'Donnell.
Good morning, Brian.
Good morning, Your Honor. I represent Jeanette Martinez. She is present. She's an add-on from yesterday, so I don't have a page number.
Okay,
If I could have a breakout room with the state judge.
sure.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Charles Peters.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present for Mr. Robert White. We have Mr. Vincent Sosa. He is the last case on page 3, cause number 655802. Mr. Sosa is present.
Okay, and you need to confer, or what do you want to do?
Yes, sir. I need to confirm.
Okay,
Charles Peters. Mr. Zachary Munoz. So, Mr. Jeffrey Mack.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
No,
who's talking? Okay, Mr. Munoz, go ahead.
Good morning, Judge. I'm on page 2. Cause number is 630-575, and then
then
another
another
case,
one.
just 2 cases, Your Honor, 644-873.
Is she present?
Your Honor, I believe she's in custody. I think she was just arrested recently. Your Honor, if I could be, she has several pending felonies, and then
I need to know where she is first.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, she's in custody.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor, according to Bear County apps, she was picked up on some warrants, felony warrants.
Okay, got it. All right, got it. All right, and we have her on bond, so we probably didn't ever brought over. Go ahead. You said you want to confer?
Well, actually, Your Honor, she has pending felonies with another attorney, and that attorney, and she picked up some other misdemeanors that attorney was also appointed to. I would like at this point just to have him appointed on these cases since they're probably all gonna be wrapped up with the first degree felonies you guys.
I can't do that without his permission and whether he's eligible to handle these. You know, I know it's a misdemeanor, so he may not be on the wheel. There's a lot of things, so you need to talk to him first.
Will
And
do,
then
Your Honor.
have him brought on. I'm just not gonna do it.
Okay, Your Honor.
Okay. Go talk to him and then come back, see me.
Will do.
Okay, Jeffrey Martinez. All right.
Good morning, Your Honor.
So-
Mr. Michael Guerra, he's on page 3. He's a 638-754. He's present on the Zoom.
Okay. And
Will we get put in line to confirm?
I can't hear you. Wait,
Apologize, Your Honor, my internet is really bad. We were wanting to get put in line to confirm.
Yeah, we'll put you in line to confer. You're going in and out. Can't hear you. You go out, we can't hear you, can hear you, can't hear you. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sorry. Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Charles Gold.
Good morning, everybody. I represent Daniel Key. I see him in there. His cause number is 672-385-345. This is a recall from yesterday. I need to talk with the prosecutor.
Okay. We'll put you in line.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, the next one, Mr. Fernando Ramos.
Morning, Judge.
Good
I have
morning.
Arturo Gonzalez on page 7, fourth from the top.
Yep.
672-377. I had no contact with him unless he's in the courtroom. I see one person in the courtroom.
Arturo Gonzalez. Arturo Gonzalez there?
No, Judge.
Okay, it's a bond forfeiture. Thank you.
Have me excused, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Jesse Sanchez.
Yes, good morning, Judge. On page 3, Gus Garcia, 648-553. It's going to be a plea. The paperwork should all be there.
It's okay. All right. I think I got it, but as soon as we finish this docket, I'll let you know and then we'll, because I think it's already been signed, right?
Yes, everything's been signed.
Okay, we'll get to it in just a minute, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Mr. Jerry Kagan.
Hello, page 1, 619-097.
Okay.
Brian Porter, if I can speak to a prosecutor.
Is Mr. Porter there?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
He should be.
Okay.
Yes. No, I don't. My client's a fugitive already.
Brian Porter? Brian Porter.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
He's not a fugitive in our case. They have him on bond. Wait, Mr. Kagan. Mr.
Your
Kagan.
Honor, I think he went back into the breakout room already.
Okay.
Okay.
May I be excused, Your Honor, or should I wait?
You have to wait.
Thank you.
No one's excused.
Okay, Marisa Ayon.
Good morning. I have Tracy Rios. She's on page 7, cause number 672-064. And I'd like to confirm, but I'm not sure if she's present.
Tracy Rios. That's a bond forfeiture.
Okay, the next one is Mr. Miguel Nájera. All right, Jonathan Ross.
Yes, morning. I have Mr. Tate. It's page 4 from the top, Your Honor.
Okay.
And sorry, yeah, it's 657-890. And we'd like to confirm with the state, please. Oh, and Mr. Tate is present. Mr. Tate, you might want to show your face in the video. say hi.
Mr. Tate?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, you can confirm, Mr. Ross.
All right, thanks.
Okay, Mr. Miguel Nájera, are you available now?
Yeah, sorry about that. Give me 1 second to get the case number up.
I got it. Carlos Green?
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, Mr. Green's case is going to be TIC'd as part of a plea that we already took in the felony court. We're awaiting PSI.
Okay. When's it set for?
PSI is set for April, Judge. Give me 1 second here. I apologize. I'm trying to put my volume down on the other computer. It is set for April the 6th, if I remember correctly.
Okay, and then let's set this one for April 7th. If it's TIC, you just let us know and you don't have to come on or anything.
Judge, do you mind? I was actually leaving on vacation the 6th. I'm going to do that PSI and get out. Do you mind if I set it for the following week? Like the
How
11th,
about the
12th?
6th? And come back on the 6th.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good, Judge.
Okay. Just come back right after your sentencing.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Susan Kramer?
Yes, Judge. I've got Christopher Godoy, who is here. He is on page 5, 662, 163, and 164.
Okay.
Judge, he's got a pending felony that comes out of this offense, and I'm trying to work out everything through the felony prosecutor in one package. So, and that case hasn't been, pardon me?
What court is it in?
Oh my God, I don't know. Let me look. I've got him up. I've got him pulled up. Or Christopher may know.
When's it set?
I'm sorry, Joe. Isn't, it's in the 187. He isn't set yet. It hasn't been indicted. Now, that's how
No,
they've been doing it.
I'm not resetting these though. Because they may never indict it, so.
Well, if they dismiss that and which
Yeah,
I
but
don't-
see, they could hold on to it forever, 2 years. We're not gonna let this pending for 2 years. I'll reset this for 1 week, get something done. Let me know.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay, they may never indict it. Or they may wait 2 years, like they do a lot of crap they do there, up there.
Let me be excused, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Judge, this is Joel. I have 3 cases. I don't know if my name was called out yet.
No, you need to wait. You need to wait, Mr. Richardson.
Okay.
When Ms. Castillo calls on you.
Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Ashley Morgan, you have come back from conferring.
I have, yes, sir. And I would like to, if the court would reset me for a potential plea on the 28th on Monday, so I can go to the offer with the client.
Sure. Yes.
So I'll see you on Monday. Thank you.
Okay. Miss Morgan, make sure they have your client's email.
They did. And they also sent me discovery acknowledgement today that I'll sign off on.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Joel Richardson?
How are you doing? I have 3 clients. I see Destiny Lee. My other 2 are Armendariz and then.
Okay, you need to tell me what page they're on.
Okay. Mr. Armendariz is on page 5. Toward the very bottom.
Okay, that case on Mr. Manuel Armendariz is closed. It's been dismissed.
Thank you. Next, I have Destiny Lee. Let me look at her case number. Destiny, would you please look at the judge and wave and tell me you're here? Case number, page number 8. Case number.
I got it. Okay.
Okay. Please mark as confirmed. May I go to breakout room for her?
Yes, sir.
More cases. Charles Welling, Wehling, page 8.
Okay, Mr. Welling, are you here?
Judge, I try to get a hold of him. No luck. I'm not sure where he is.
They're bond forfeitures then. Okay.
Okay, may I confer with Destiny Lee and see what she
Yes,
wants?
yes, sir.
Or may I confer with the state first? That would be better.
Yes.
Hope you're having a good day, Judge. It's pretty cold out there.
You too.
I said, I hope you have your golf sweater on.
Yeah, I got some. Too cold to play golf.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Miss Lauren Lefton is right from conferring.
Hi, Judge. My client is in fugitive status. He is gonna turn himself in.
Needs to turn himself in right
And
now.
I did complete a discovery. Yes,
Needs to turn
I'm
himself
gonna
in.
instruct him to go down to the jail.
Okay.
Yes, sir. But we did complete a discovery acknowledgement in case you wanted it or anything like that.
Okay, well, we can't do anything on your case until your client turns himself in.
Okay, I'll talk to him. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Okay, the next one would be Mr. Jose Rocha, and this is on a case that also has an attorney by the name of Michael Machado. He's got about 3 or 4 cases. Mr. Machado is supposedly coming in on Monday for a plea. But Mr. Machado has one of those cases, and this gentleman
Yeah,
is
it's
in
like 3
custody.
cases, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is the guy in jail?
Yes, he's in custody, but he's going to be brought in on Monday.
Okay, that's fine. And who's got the other cases?
Jose Rocha, are you available?
Yes, hi. Hi, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm here for Quetzalcoatl Martinez.
Okay. Looks like he's gonna plea on Monday. Is that my understanding?
Apparently so, yes. He did have another attorney appointed at the same time.
Okay, yeah, screwy situation. Well, why don't you be back here Monday morning and we'll hopefully figure it all out at the same time.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
May I be excused at this time?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Stephanie Stevens.
Your Honor, we were able to speak with the prosecutor on case on page 6, Stefan Toko. Excuse me. It's 6648885.
Yes, ma'am.
We are missing some discovery. Perhaps the state is making another inquiry with Bexar County Sheriff. They had inquired before, and received part of it. They are checking on the remainder of the videos and asked us to check
body
that.
cams or something, or
We received body cam, but the dash camera and the in patrol car camera, they did not turn in, and they want to verify whether that exists or not.
okay, well, we'll reset it for Monday. Everyone back Monday. State, go find it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Everybody back Monday.
Thank you, Judge.
Mm-hmm.
Judge, I'm sorry to bother you. This is Carlos Green. I'm sorry to butt in like that, but I wanted to ask you, is there a chance I could speak to my lawyer in one of those breakout rooms, please?
Who's your lawyer?
Miguel Najera.
And I'm still here, Judge.
Okay, yeah, he'll talk to you.
Thank you.
They'll put you with him.
Okay, Mr. Green, I had put you for a breakout room. You can click on join. All right. Mr. William Davidson.
Hi.
Mr. Davidson, on your case of Tilea Clark, 669798, page
Yes.
6, that case was reset to April 21. It has
Okay.
been accepted to the pretrial diversion.
Okay. April 21. Thank you. May I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Ms. Vanessa Garcia.
Good morning.
Your Honor, I am here on 3 cases. The first one is Miles Jordan. He is on page 5, all the way at the bottom, cause number 664159.
Okay,
And that one is set for a plea. I just need to be placed in a breakout room with him to go over the plea paperwork.
you know,
Okay. And then on the second one is Ernest Parker. He was recalled from yesterday, cause number 634457. That one is also set for a plea, and I just emailed the state to have them send over the plea paperwork as well.
okay, great.
And then the last one is Miss Sierra Campbell, cause number 659732. She is on page 5. I have conferred with the state on that case, but we're still waiting on the
What's the
body
name
cams.
again? I'm sorry.
Sierra Campbell on
Okay.
page 5.
It has an Austin Hagee.
Yes, Your Honor, we're filing a motion to sub. He's no longer with our office, so we're getting that motion to sub in today.
Okay, all right. When you want, she on?
Yes, Miss Campbell, are you on?
Sierra Campbell.
I will have our office call her. If she does not appear, Your Honor, I understand that it
The
is.
bond talking to right now. Go ahead.
Thank you. So if I can just be placed in a breakout room first with Mr. Miles Jordan, and then once I receive the plea paperwork for Mr. Parker, I will go in with him.
You know.
Thank you.
Hey, Mary Petrashik.
Yes, good morning, Judge. I'm here on Mr. Benavides on page 8. Garian, I think is his first name.
Okay.
Yes, Judge. So he has 2 pending cases, one in this court, one in County Court 4. And for purposes of judicial economy, I was hoping to try to move this case to the other court. The other court has the lower case number.
I don't know how they do those things. You need to talk to Mr. Steele about that.
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Petrashik, you'll have to have the coordinator email me that to transfer this case, and I'll be happy to.
Okay, Judge. We're also set in County Court 4 today at 10:30. Is it possible to go there and then come back with
Yes,
an
sir.
answer from the coordinator?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Andrew.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shannon Locke for Tobias Kavanaugh. If I could confer with a prosecutor on that.
Sure. What client is this?
Tobias Kavanaugh, Your Honor, I was in another court. I apologize for being late.
What page is it on?
Oh, my goodness. Just a second.
Hate to say it. They have like 90 cases. 90 cases, so it's hard.
No, I understand.
Last entry on 2, Judge.
Yeah, okay, got it. He present?
He is, Your Honor. He's wearing a red shirt.
Okay, you want to confirm, right?
Yeah. Yes, please.
Okay. Sure.
Lady, this is Joe. Can I go in a breakout room with the DA?
Yes, let me put you in.
I've been waiting about 15 minutes. No one showed up.
Oh, Mr. Richardson, there are other attorneys in front of you. If you can go back to that room 11, they shouldn't be that long.
Okay, I have cases in other courts. I can go there and come back if you want me to.
It's up to you if you want to get those out of the way and then come right back.
I'll do that. I think one's just a short announcement and then that one's over. I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Is that good?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Miguel Nájera, you're back from conferring.
I am, and I needed to announce on another case as well. It's one that lists Linda Corley as the attorney, but I'm a second chair. I was going to handle the motion to suppress on Miguel Andrade this afternoon. We have conferred with the state and actually worked that case out. So I need a plea date on Mr. Andrade. We no longer need the motion to suppress.
Is he on the docket? Right.
I think so, Judge. Page 3, 650064.
Okay. Okay, I got it. It's gonna be a plea.
It is, Judge. It is.
We can do it Monday or Tuesday.
Let me see here. Yeah, either of those days should work, Judge.
Come on.
I mean, Tuesday would be a little bit better.
That's fine.
So we can do it that morning. Is it morning or afternoon plea docket, Judge?
It's all morning.
Let's set it for that morning. And I'll forward I think I may have forwarded my client's email already. I know I did to the state, but I'll send it to them again. Let me just confirm here that I'm sending it to the right people. I think I sent it to Miss Corina Sanchez. Is she still the DA there?
Yes.
Okay. I emailed it to her. So I'll remind her. I'll send it again this morning. And Ms. Castillo, do you want me to send it to you as well right now in the chat?
No, just send it to them. They'll go ahead and copy me.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
And with that, may I be excused?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Okay, so I'm going to call the next attorney, but if I didn't call you, I'm sorry. I just didn't. There's too many pictures, and if you don't have attorney after your name, I'm just going to be guessing and trying to look for everything. We can try to speed this up if you have attorney after your name, so I'll know that you're a different attorney, maybe not on the docket. The next one I'm going to call is Mr. Andrew Priest.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Andrew.
I had 2 cases on your docket. Anna Ridgway, page 8. I do not know if she is present. I have not had contact with her.
Anna, I'm sorry, are you there? Anna Ridgway. It's what? Oh yeah, here it is. Anna Ridgway, are you there? Okay, it's a bond forfeiture.
And then I had a second, excuse me, I had a second case. It was on, I believe, your add-on docket, Your Honor.
Okay.
It was recalled from Tuesday, Jennifer Morales.
Okay.
Ms. Sanchez was going to review the case for potential offer. So I guess I would need to confer with Ms. Sanchez.
Okay, please do.
Thank
I'm
you.
here, by the way.
And Ms. Morales is present, Your Honor.
Okay. Then confirm with the state, please.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, this is Mr. Jonathan Watkins.
I'm present. Good morning, Ms. Castillo, and good morning, Judge. I have Miss Shoshana Koger. She's on page 6 of the docket, Your Honor. Case number 66794.
Okay.
And I had been in conference with Miss Sanchez. This was to be a plea, Judge. I just need to make sure I have the paperwork. If there's any way I could maybe speak to her, do a breakout room.
Sure. Is Ms. Koger here?
She's present, Your Honor.
I'm here.
Okay. Yeah, you confirm.
All right, Mr. Efrain Torres.
Hi, Judge. We are just waiting on plea paperwork. Yeah, I'll send that over to Elida here shortly. Mr. Galarasa is on Zoom.
Mr. Torres, the emails will go to the ADA unless you're doing it manually and getting it scanned and sent to me.
Yes, I'm gonna do it manually and sent over to you.
Okay, sounds good. Just let me know by chat that it's already been done.
I
All
will,
right.
and then we are gonna need a Spanish interpreter on that.
Okay, very
you.
good. And you'll have both the English and the Spanish version.
Correct.
Okay, good.
The data sheet will be in English.
There's a data sheet in Spanish, but
Okay, but he's already filled it out in English.
oh, okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Leslie Herbst.
Good morning, Alita. How are you?
Good morning, sir.
I'm here on Michael Walker. I'm talking to him.
What page is it on?
Page 5, Your Honor.
Okay. Is he here? Michael Walker?
I've been in touch with him. He's on the phone. He's having trouble logging on.
It's a bond forfeiture. Let me know when it gets on. Now it's a bond forfeiture.
Your Honor, can we have him appear telephonically?
No. This is courtroom. This is like the court. You can't appear by phone in the courtroom. This is like a courtroom. No.
I'll do my best to get him on.
Okay.
Okay, looks like Ricardo Briones.
Yes, Alida, this is Ricardo Briones, I'm present.
And Mr. Briones, are you an attorney?
I'm an attorney. I'm here for Angela Whelan. She's on page 7, close to the bottom.
Okay, got it.
She has a pending felony. This is for a DWLI. We'd like to reset this to go with the felony.
Is she present?
Yes, she is present, Your Honor.
Okay. When's the felony going to be taken care of?
We don't know, Your Honor. It's pending indictments.
No, I'm not going to reset it. Nope.
So I would
And
like.
they never indict it.
It's a DWLI. I can confer with the state, Your Honor, if you'd like.
Okay. Confer with them.
Thank you.
Miss Kelly McGinnis.
Yes, I'm here for Charles on Lawrence Jackson. He has a misdemeanor in here, but he has a felony pending that is set on March 14th, the trafficking case. So I was gonna see if we could reset it for a felony pending.
Yeah, we'll set it for March 15th.
Thank you, Judge.
Wait a minute, is he present?
I thought I was looking for him.
Sir.
Okay.
There he is.
All right.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Maybe both be excused.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, so
Good morning, Judge. We can finish conferring on Mr. Vincent Souza.
What page is that on?
Page 3, bottom of page 3.
Okay.
So we've had some discovery turned over. We requested a different discovery. There's some documentation that we are getting to the state that may change our plea agreement. So it'd be just ask for a reset so we can work all those issues out.
I'll reset it 1 week.
All right.
Okay.
And was this on Mr. Sosa, Vincent Sosa?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So it'll be March 10th.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Christopher Castro.
Okay.
Morning, Judge. I'm here on 2 cases. First one's page 4, 657717 Centeno Cortez.
Is he here?
He's in custody, Judge.
Okay, got it. And what are you doing on that?
I believe we're still waiting for lapse, but I'd like to confer with the state.
Sure.
Um,
And the next one is,
671897 Gilbert Perry, page 7.
okay, got it.
I submitted the PTD application on that one, Judge, requesting a reset to see how long that's going to take.
You've done it. You've done your part.
I submitted it this morning, Judge.
Okay, then let's reset this for about a month and let's see what happens.
Thank you.
Mhm.
All right, that one would be for March 30th, and I'll put you in a breakout room, Mr. Castro.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Matthew Finch.
Good morning, everybody. Judge, I'm here. We were recalled from Tuesday for a Connor Cummings 671585. I did not see him on the docket that was attached to the Zoom invite today.
It was an error.
I have not seen any paperwork, Judge. I reached out to a prosecutor yesterday and still have not received any from either the court or the DA's office. Mr. Cummings is on the Zoom this morning.
Okay, get in line and talk to one of them, see if they'll get the paperwork going.
Thank you, Judge.
Please.
We'll hang tight.
Okay, put you in a breakout room.
Let me go get some coffee, Mr. Castillo. I'll be right back.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Castillo. Ms. Castillo.
Yeah, I'm here. Who's
Yeah, this is Jesse Sanchez.
oh, Mr. Sanchez. Okay.
Yeah, ready for the plea. I know you're still calling the docket. I was trying to put attorney in the back of my name, but I have no idea how to do it. I've been trying
Oh,
every
it's okay. In the rename on your little dots it right there, you can always put attorney, and I like to have them. I just did it for you, so.
Oh, okay. Where is it on here? Did you say?
On the screen, usually there's like mute, and then there's a little 3 dots.
The judge just won't let you say, can I approach?
Oh, yeah, I don't see the 3 dots. That's
Oh,
why.
are you on the phone or what?
No, I'm on the computer, but I don't see them.
Well, let's see where it says more, maybe down there.
Nope. It
Oh,
doesn't
okay,
say
okay.
anything.
So maybe in participants, when you go into your name, it probably show a little bit more.
And all it says is invite. I'll figure it out the next
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
Okay.
Play with it.
Yeah, I was playing around with it. I said, well, how do I do that? So I figured you would know. Okay, well, thank you for doing it. And
It's all right, sir.
okay, thank you.
Okay, very good.
Later,
and if-
Deputy Butler.
Yes, I noticed that we had another attorney there. Who is that attorney?
Abelardo Garza,
Okay.
page 3, 646785.
Okay. The judge
And
stepped
he's
out
just
for a
gonna-
second.
Yeah, he's gonna wait for you to call him. He's been apprised.
Okay.
Elena, this is Joe Richardson. If I go breakout room.
Yes, we'll put you in a breakout room.
Aleda, this is Linda Corley. Also, when you get a chance, I just need to talk to a prosecutor as well.
Please stay muted unless you're called to make announcements. Thank you.
Leah, I got an announcement whenever it's time. Let me know.
Yeah, when she calls you, you can make your announcements, sir.
Mr. Torres, have you sent it in?
Yes.
Okay.
What, Elida?
It's Aleida.Castillo.
Yes, I sent that over to you already. However, I know Judge Angelini's gonna ask about the restitution. I know I'm dealing with the new prosecutor, so I just sent that over to him. I don't know if you do that or not.
Okay, do you need to go back and confer with them to make sure you got everything?
Sure, with Jeffrey, that's fine.
All right, let me, okay, Mr. Gold, I'm sorry about that. What's going on with this?
I conferred. This was a recall from yesterday. We're just gonna set it for trial. I signed the discovery acknowledgement.
Okay, well, let's wait for the judge and see if he's got it. So
Okay.
we can get you a date. Just be patient.
Sounds great.
I'll be with you
Thank you.
shortly. Okay. All right, very good. Mr. Zachary Munoz, do you have an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, if I could, I know we spoke, you told me to go and get in contact with the other attorney representing my client as well. I cannot get a hold of Mr. Ross, his office. If I can go ahead and
Ross?
reset on this case, Your Honor.
What's his name? Jonathan Ross?
No, it's Ron Ross, Your Honor.
Okay, well, keep calling.
Yes, Your Honor. I do have a hearing out in Guadalupe County in person at 1 o'clock that I have to leave my office to make.
Okay.
Can I be excused?
Yeah, we'll be back Monday.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Be back Monday.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Will Brooks.
Thank you, Alayla. Morning, Judge. I've got a recall on Brandon Silva, 632950 from yesterday.
Uh-huh.
He was having trouble working technology. We wanted a trial setting. But he wasn't able to log in. And
Yeah, he actually logged in late after you left. I told him to call you.
perfect. So it's Lewis's guy, Martinez, but just asking for a trial setting on it.
Yes, yeah, we'll give you a trial setting. He showed up late.
Understood.
Okay. Ms. Castillo will give you a trial setting.
Yeah, and so that'll be for, let me see here, April the 4th. And give me that case number, Mr. Brooks.
It's 632950.
Okay. April 4th.
I'll be right back. I gotta look up something.
And Mr. Brooks, what happened to Sarah Brown? I think this was
If I
also a
could go
recall.
to a breakout room with her, I think she was having some trouble filling in the paperwork.
Okay, very good. And she's available. Let me see, Sarah Brown. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Put you in room 1.
Thank you,
Thank
Elena.
you.
Hello, Aleda. When the judge comes back, I'm ready to announce.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
It's not letting me.
Elena Jeffrey Martinez, just wanted to make sure you got my message.
No, never have.
I'll be right with you.
Hello, Aleda.
I'll be right with you, Mr. Herb.
When I left last week. No, they're not up to par. But that's what I told him. It's not my fault that they're not ready.
Mr. Herbst, mute your mic, please. Counselor Herbst, your mic is not muted, sir. Hey.
Okay, Your Honor, it looks like Mr. Joseph Stateson is ready to make an announcement.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Judge. I confer with the prosecutor. My
Escobedo?
client present on Zoom, Veronica Escobedo, should be page 2.
Okay, I got it.
This is a case where we know Coban exists. The officer states it exists on the body camera. The prosecutor is looking to see if the Coban is something that she can request and upload to me. So she needs time to check on that. And that Coban may be dispositive, whether
Okay,
the traffic
we'll set it
violation. Tuesday.
Mhm.
May we do the 3rd or the 4th?
Yeah. Ms. Castillo, give him the 3rd then.
The 3rd.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Appreciate you. Thank you, Aleda.
Thank you, sir. Okay, Mr. Charles Gold was ready to make an announcement, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Judge, I have Daniel Key. It's a recall from yesterday. It is cause number 672-345. Wish to set it for trial. We signed a discovery acknowledgement.
Have you said it? What's the name again? Let me look and see. I got it. Make sure.
Daniel Key.
Daniel Key. I don't have it.
It was on yesterday's docket and it was sent on a separate by email to you.
Okay.
A little separate list, but this is Daniel Arthur Key, Keye 672-345.
Okay, you can go.
Okay, so it'll be April the 4th, Mr. Gold.
April the 4th. Is that a call docket or is that the day that we go to trial?
Call docket.
Okay, thank you. All right, may we be excused?
Yes, sir.
All right, y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.
And you're going to Jeffrey Martinez whenever I may approach to make an announcement.
Yes, sir. What page?
Page 3, Your Honor.
Okay, I got
It's
it.
going to be Michael Guerrero. The state's going to dismiss this case today, Your Honor.
Okay, well, hang on until they do.
Okay, Your Honor. Do I need to? I need to go to County Court 11, Your Honor, to make an
Okay,
appearance.
go there and come back. Okay.
That sounds great. Bye-bye.
Aleda, this is Abe. I'm here. I'd like to announce.
Oh, Mr. Garza, I am so sorry. You are in the courtroom, Your Honor, Mr. Abe Garza in the courtroom.
I'd like to talk to a prosecutor, Your Honor.
Is your defendant here?
Yes, he is. Adrian Altimara, he's there. Turn on your video. There he is.
You see in red?
Yes, Judge, that's him.
Okay, you can confirm. Yes.
Thank you.
Your Honor, may I approach? James Hunt?
Yes, sir.
I've got Pedro Romero this morning, and
What
I'd
page?
also like for
What page, James?
page 6. 671022.
Okay, I got it. Is he here present?
I saw his name on there.
Pedro Romero?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay, good. You need to confirm, Mr. Hunt, or not?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sure.
And Ms. Petrashek, you are back from conferring. You stepped out.
Oh, yes, I did step out. I did talk to County Court 4, and they should be sending an email trying to transfer or trying to, I guess, request the case from County Court 9 to be transferred to County Court 4.
We'll transfer it as fast as we possibly can if they'll request. Give us a chance. We'll send over about half this docket if you want.
And Judge Jimenez wanted me to say hello, of course. And he said to let him know if Judge Angelini didn't want to transfer the case, and he would.
No, we'll transfer all these cases on today's docket. It won't be a problem at all.
Oh, you said. So you know, he did reset the case in his court to 414. Did you want us to stick around this morning so that transfer went through?
Yeah.
Is this going to be going to what court?
4.
County Court 4.
Okay.
As soon as
They
you
work on it.
just check back, Mary, make sure it's been transferred. You can go about your business, but check back
Thank
today
you,
or later and make sure it's been done. Okay.
Thank you, Judge, and then may my client also be excused.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge. Y'all have a great day.
Elena, this is Joe. Can I go to 13 and then come back?
Yes.
Thank you. Or you can just give us a 1 week reset today if you want to get us off.
No.
I'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you.
And Your Honor, may I approach? This is Jonathan Ross, conferred on Mr. Armani Tate, page 4, number 4 on there. And the Coban video is still missing on that case. So that's pretty important to the case. So if we could get a reset on that, we'd appreciate
I'll
it.
give you 1 week.
All right. Thanks, Judge.
Next, all right.
Oh, and may Mr. Tate and I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Judge Raymond, sir,
Yes, sir.
may I be excused? I don't know.
What's your name?
My name is Brandon Silva, sir.
Yes, sir, you're excused. You need
Okay.
to call your attorney.
Lewis, yes.
Okay,
Sir.
call
I will. Yes, sir.
him. Yes, sir. You are excused.
Thank you, miss, sir.
Your Honor, this is Attorney Vanessa Garcia. Sorry. Aleda, were you speaking? I'm sorry to cut.
Who's speaking?
And that if you were ready to announce for Vanessa Garcia.
Your Honor, I am ready on Mr. Miles Jordan. However, I still am waiting for the paperwork for Ernest Parker.
Ready on Miles Jordan, or which one?
Ernest Parker, he is set for a plea this morning, but I do need the plea paperwork for that case.
Okay, well, then send it to me. I'll be glad to. I mean, they need to send it to you so you can send it to me.
And also too, I did want to notify the court that Miss Sierra Campbell is on the Zoom screen.
What case number is that?
It's going to be on page 5, case number 659732.
Okay, she's on? There's no bump.
Yes.
Okay. You need to, you're substituting?
Yes.
I need a motion on that in order. And you need to confer?
On that one, I have conferred with the state and they are missing the dash cam and the Coban video that they are requesting to send to us.
Okay, then we'll reset it for 1 week.
Okay.
Campbell.
May Miss Campbell be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Mr. John Shannon announced before I leave. Shannon Locke.
Yes, this is Shannon.
What are you doing, Shannon?
So I've conferred with the prosecutor. They need to, there are felonies pending in this case. They need to, what's that?
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, they need to talk to the felony prosecutors to determine what they can do on our case.
All right, set it for Tuesday.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. May my client be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Tobias, you can log off. I'll give you a call.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Brian O'Donnell. You're back from conferring.
Yes, Your Honor, good morning. I'm back from conferring for Ms. Jeanette Martinez. She's an add-on. The state is offering a conditional dismissal if my client completes an online theft class. I would ask if we could reset it so she would have time to complete that, Judge.
How long does it take for the class?
That I'm not completely sure. I know it's online, but I don't know if we can get her right in.
Well, find out right now.
I can call Judge. Thank you, Judge.
Find out. Let's find out when she could get in, how long the class is gonna take.
Very well, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so Mr. Abel Dominguez.
Yes, I'm here on Brandon High. This is a plea. I have turned in the paperwork, but I would ask to just be put in a breakout room with my client so I can just go over it with him, make sure he understands everything.
Sure.
And that's Mr. Brandon High.
Yes.
Uh, and to find him. There you go. Okay, go to room 2.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
Judge, and my approach again real quick.
Sure. What's up, Leo?
I just 14 minutes ago got an email from the 186 pushing Mr. Green to April 21st. That's when our PSI is set now. I'm not sure why it got reset, but it's on April 21st now instead of April 6th.
Sure, on 22nd then.
Perfect. Yeah, and I just forwarded that email to Miss Castillo so she could see I'm not making it up.
Well, I'm with you. 22nd.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Having a little problem getting this plea paperwork from Mr. Efrain Torres. I am going to go talk to him. So
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
may I confer with the state?
Sure. Is your client on?
I've been trying to get him on. We've been having trouble getting him onto Zoom.
All right, it's Bonford, sure, as you well know. can always go to the court.
What time does the court close this morning?
Probably about noon, 1 o'clock. We'll see.
Mr. Joseph Acevedo?
He's in another courtroom, ma'am. My name is Miles Montalvo. I'm his client.
I'm right here.
Okay. Mr. Acevedo, you need to make an announcement to the judge.
Okay.
Which case? Who? Who's speaking?
Okay, so I guess he must. All right, let's go to Ricardo Briones.
Sorry about that.
You have something to say? Okay.
Yes, Your Honor, this is Angela Whelan. She's on page 7 on the bottom. I was conferring with the state.
Okay,
I'd like to do the 30-day reset for compliance, Your Honor.
compliance, what do you mean?
So she can get her license. It's a DWLI. She's trying to get her license back in a good standing.
What does she need to do that?
I think she does need to, pay some fees. I don't know exactly, but she does have to do
Find
it.
out, what does she need to do?
I can find out right now, Your Honor, if you want me to.
Find out right now.
Okay.
Yes.
And Angela, I'll give you a call.
No, she's not excused.
No, I mean, I can, or I can get a breakout room. I'm going to give her a call right now. But,
Okay, you can call her or whatever you need to do.
okay. Angela, I'm going to give you a call right now on the phone.
Okay.
So just hang on, but mute yourself. And
Yep, okay.
thank you.
Who's got Gus Garcia? Is that Jesse Sanchez? You all ready on that?
Yes, Judge. We're ready.
Gus Garcia, are you around?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Castillo, could you get me a prosecutor, please?
Yes, sir, right away.
Somebody needs to mute themselves.
Hey, this is Joe. May I go in a breakout room with Jeff King?
Mr. Richardson, wait a while.
Thank you.
Your Honor, were we ready for a plea?
Here, okay. We're gonna do Gus Garcia plea right now. Mr. King's on. This is 648-553, the state of Texas versus Gus Garcia. Are you Gus Garcia?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you saying Mr. Garcia is charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated? Is that you, sir?
Yes.
Mr. Sanchez, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under discovery rules?
Yes, I have.
Are you also comply with 3914 of the Code of Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Garcia, I have some papers from your attorney in the district attorney's office which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, sir.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you end up pleading? Is that right?
Correct.
Do you understand that you have a right to trial by jury to fight or contest this matter if you want to? Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes.
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
No.
All right, how do you plead?
No contest.
Understand, no contest plea has the same legal effect as a guilty plea, in misdemeanor court. Do you understand that?
Correct.
Are you sure you want to do it?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna find this plea is voluntarily made. State, what is your recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor, we are asking for 12 months of deferred adjudication,
Mhm.
a $400 fine, court costs, 48 hours of community service, DWI education, victim impact panel, a TAP evaluation, regular UAs for 1/2 the term, and that is all.
Regular UAs perhaps. Is that what you're saying?
I'm sorry, Your Honor?
Regular UAs for half the term?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
This is where he doesn't drive.
All right, Mr. Sanchez, is that your understanding?
Yes, it is.
All right, I'll go along with that. Ms. Garcia, I'm gonna put you on probation for 12 months of deferred adjudication probation. Order that you pay a $400 fine plus court costs, 48 hours community service, DWI education, victim impact panel, TAP evaluation, see if you need any kind of drug or alcohol treatment, regular UAs for 6 months. And good luck to you, sir. You need to stay
Thank you.
on and talk to the probation officer so you understand what your obligations are, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Judge. Might be excused.
Yes, sir.
Good seeing you again, Judge.
Yes.
Judge, this is Abel Dominguez. I am ready on my plea with Brandon High whenever the court is.
On who?
Brandon High.
Okay, well, I don't have any paperwork, so it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I confer with the state?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, Judge, may I- Your Honor, this is Attorney Vanessa Garcia, and we are ready on Miles Jordan. And I believe he did send it over to you.
Okay. No, I don't have it.
Yeah. Your Honor, this is Attorney Briones for Angela Whelan on page 7. I'd like to approach if possible.
Just 1 second. What was the name again, Ms. Garcia?
Miles Jordan?
Nope. Nope, don't have it.
Your Honor, you know what I think the issue is, on my case at least, is that it was probably sent to Judge Saldaña.
Okay, so you'd have to go to the prosecutor that sent that paperwork to you so they can reroute it to Judge Angelini.
Okay, can I be placed in a breakout room with Karina Sanchez, please?
Okay, Mr. Briones, you want to speak to me?
Yes, Your Honor, we requested a reset, regarding my client's DWLI. She's on page 7, Angela Whelan. She has some tickets she has to pay from Castle Hills. She's on a limited income. So she preferred 60 days, but if 30
No,
days.
I'm gonna give her 2 weeks. That's it.
That's fine, Your Honor.
Reset Wayland for 2 weeks.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it. May we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Judge, may I approach?
Who's speaking?
Rochelle Acevedo.
Oh, okay. Yes, ma'am.
Judge, I had Michael Soto confirm whether he's in the courtroom because I don't see him on the Zoom.
Yeah, he's in the courtroom.
Okay, I just need to confer with him.
Okay, well,
I'll do that I'll call him.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
We can put you in a breakout room, ma'am.
Oh, if you can, great.
Judge Christopher Castro with a quick announcement.
Yes, sir.
I'm here on Centennial Cortez, 657717 on page 4. I've conferred with the state. They're requesting more time to review. And additionally, we're missing co-ban, so they're going to request that.
Okay, 1 week.
Understood. Can I be placed in a breakout room with my client and excused from there?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Castro, who was your client?
Mr. Cortez?
He's in jail.
Oh, he's in custody. Okay, let me get him. Yes.
They said he was Spanish only later.
Okay.
They called me from the jail and said he was on.
Yeah, he's on. Cortez and Castro.
Judges, this is Joe Richardson. May I approach?
Yes, sir.
Still need a breakout room with the DA. This is the only court I have. Last of 7 cases. I'll stay here as long as it takes to.
Okay. Ms.
confer.
Castillo will put you in a room with the other prosecutors.
Thank you very much. I hope you're having a good day, Judge.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
It's 1 million people on the docket today.
Okay, I put you in a room, Ms. Richardson. Señor Cortés, ¿me escucha? ¿Está en custodia usted, señor Cortés? Okay, I'll have to call the jail.
Judge, if I may approach just briefly, for my plea on Brandon High, do I need to email the paperwork to you or to Aleda? Because I did email to Aleda already.
Is it a manually paperwork?
Yes, it was manual paperwork, yes.
Okay, if you email it to me this morning, I'll get it right now and give it to the judge. I'm working
Okay.
on another one. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
Your Honor, may I be excused?
Yes, your client's bond forfeiture?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Yep. Yes.
Thank you.
Gentleman with the iPhone Pro 13. Wearing the surgical hat and mask. If you could turn your video off. If you're not doing court.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Please disable your video. This is
Okay,
an official
very
court
well.
proceeding. Listen to me, sir. This is an official court proceeding. If you're not paying attention here,
I do need
you
his
need to act
name.
like you're in the courtroom, please.
What is your name, sir?
Oh, my name is Fernando Flores. I'm in surgery right now. I'm sorry. I just don't have it any other way.
Yeah, you have another way. You can come to court.
Well, I understand, but you know, it's tough right now.
Not for everybody.
I understand, sir. I'm saving lives here, sir, with all due respect.
Okay? You still have a job to do, and so do we. And if you don't
Absolutely, everyone
stop-
does, sir.
Listen to me. You don't stop what you're doing right now and stay still. I'm gonna make you come to court now, or we'll put out a warrant for your arrest. Got it?
I understand. Yes, sir. So you want me to stop the video?
Which is, yes. No, I don't want you to stop the video. I want you to stop what you're doing and wait around till your attorney and you get done with what you're supposed to be doing.
Yes.
Your attorney, you're Fernando Flores, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My understanding, you're supposed to be doing a plea today, but I don't know about your attorney hasn't showed up, so you might call him.
So what was that again, sir? I didn't hear you. So
You need to call your attorney and get him on.
Get him on. So you want me to leave the room right now?
Yeah, leave the room, call your attorney, and then come back on.
Okay. Fair enough.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Who's speaking?
Jeffrey Martinez, Your Honor. I'm on page 3 for Michael Guerrero.
Okay.
We've been waiting for a dismissal for a little while, Your Honor. I don't know if the state knows that they need to do that immediately. May I go back to confer to tell them, or?
Yeah, get back there and tell them you're not going anywhere until you get it done.
Okay, Your Honor, may I please put in a breakout room?
Yes, please.
Looking for Cornelius Cox? Judge, I'm back from I'm in the 437th. I have 3 cases on the docket to make announcements.
Okay. Start Miles Montalvo. What about it? Is he on?
That one, if we may have a short reset to get
Is
the
Miles
plea paperwork.
Montalvo on?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, now what do you need, Joseph?
A short reset to do the plea.
Okay, we'll do it Monday.
Okay,
Tell them, make sure they have your client's email.
okay. Then we have Brittany Hayes and
What page is on Brittany Hayes on? Okay, I got it.
I apologize, Judge.
Brittany Hayes, are you there?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, she's here. Go
May
ahead.
we have a trial setting on that, Your Honor?
Yeah, I need a discovery acknowledgement. So she
Okay.
and you're not.
I have all my discovery.
All right, you still need to sign a discovery acknowledgement.
No, I understand, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And then Mr. Romero, 644-290.
Okay, I got it. Is he on?
If I may have a trial setting.
Romero?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, you can.
I
I
may
just
have
get a discovery acknowledgement as well. And after you get
Okay,
them
so
signed-
let me just make sure I'm clear. And we're having difficulty. I'm here in the courthouse building, and
Okay.
so I'm going to be receiving a discovery acknowledgement from the coordinator or from the assistant DA or from.
Yes, from the assistant district attorney.
Okay, and then I sign off and
And
then
then-
send it back.
And then they send it to me, then I have to sign.
Okay.
it. And until I
Okay.
sign off on it, nobody's excused. Okay?
Okay.
And just make sure that the DAs know that's what you want to do, so they'll get you the discovery now.
Okay.
Okay.
May I go to the room with the coordinator, please? Oh, never mind.
Judge, may I approach?
Yes, sir.
I just conferred with the state on Jennifer Morales. We received an offer. If I could go into a breakout room with Ms. Morales to relay that offer, and we did complete the discovery acknowledgement. We did submit a blood discovery request for discovery, but I'd like to confer with my client and see if we can reach a resolution on it before the court signs off on it.
Okay, sure.
Thank you, Judge.
Would that be Jennifer Morales?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Priest. Ms. Acevedo, I'm sorry. I think somebody else was busy on that breakout room, so that's why I had not sent him in there yet.
Okay.
I had not forgotten you.
No, it's okay.
Aleda,
Yes.
Ms. Acevedo's client's gonna get on Zoom and then go into my witness room, and
Okay.
he can confer with her through his phone.
Okay. All right. I'll wait for him.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I just spoke to Ms. Castillo. I think we're having some issues with the paperwork that was submitted. There is some type of fade on it that is now allowing the ink to properly come out with signatures. I'd like to come back on Monday. I talked to Ms. Castillo. That should work. And I'll explain it to the client.
That's fine.
All right.
What's the name again?
Galarasa, Judge.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor,
1 second.
Judge, can I check in with you? This is
No.
Robert Mauer.
No. Okay, who want to speak to me?
Judge, this is Robert Mauer.
I think
I
Ms.
have a
Garcia, hold on. I think Ms. Garcia was ahead of you. Go ahead.
Your Honor, I just wanted to let the court know that we have fixed the paperwork with the prosecutors on Miles Jordan, so you should be receiving that in your inbox shortly.
Yeah, I got it and signed it, and once I sign it, it goes away and then it has to come back to me. And I should have it in a few minutes.
Okay, great. Thank you, Your Honor. We'll be on standby.
Okay. Yes, sir, Mr. Mauer.
Judge, I have a lady on your docket named Stacy Guerrero.
Ms. Guerrero, are you on?
No, Judge, she's paralyzed. She got shot. I sent the DA previously her paperwork showing her medical condition, so I probably need to confer with him to see what their plan is as far as this specific case, because she is paralyzed, I believe, from the neck down.
Okay, well, get him some paperwork. And
I sent it to Karina, but I don't know who the prosecutors in this court are anymore.
Karina Sanchez and Jeffrey King.
Okay, I'd send it to Karina if she's available.
Yeah, she can confer with you.
Okay.
Your Honor, Jeffrey Martinez, may I approach?
In a second.
Overhead here towards the back of the airplane are slowing up. It's also overhead vent space for large suitcases only. Once again, if you place your bags in the overhead vent, please grab the bags and place them under.
All right, I got Miles Jordan ready to go.
Okay, let me get a prosecutor.
Your Honor, Jeffrey Martinez, can I make an announcement before, or would you like me to wait till after the plea?
Right after the plea.
You'll be right with us.
Okay, we got a prosecutor. Ms. Sanchez is here. All right, this is 664-160. The State versus Miles Jordan. Are you Miles Jordan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Jordan. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Mr. Jordan who's charged with reckless driving? Is that you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are y'all amended it? Or you charged with DWI? What's going on here, Ms. Garcia?
It's a reckless driving, Your Honor.
Huh?
Two charges, Your Honor, but we are only proceeding on the reckless.
Wait a minute, we can't, somebody needs to, okay, go ahead. Either Ms. Sanchez or Ms. Garcia, please explain to me.
He is charged with DWI and a reckless driving. However, the state's proceeding on the reckless driving and TICing the DWI.
Oh, he's charged with two different crimes. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, I see. I got it. I didn't see the other page. All right, got it. Are you the same Mr. Jordan who's charged with reckless driving? Is that you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Garcia, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under discovery rules?
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Jordan, I have some papers here from your attorney in the district attorney's office to set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you plead? Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to? Did you know that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone force you or make you do that?
No, Your Honor.
All right. How do you plead to this offense?
Guilty.
Anyone force you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to find this plea is voluntarily made. What's your recommendation, State, please?
Your Honor, that would be a $400 fine with court costs, 8 months deferred adjudication, DWI education course, a TAP evaluation, a driver safety course, a live at 25.
What? Say that again?
A live at 25, Your Honor. It's a course, a driver course.
Okay.
50 hours, 50, of community service. And in exchange, the state has agreed to take into consideration cause number 664159.
159?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is that your understanding, Ms. Garcia?
Yes, Your Honor. And we also would request from the court, we have, I've had my client go ahead and do the DWI education course ahead of time. So we'd ask that if he provides a certificate of completion, that the court would allow him to not redo that.
Yes, ma'am. I'll allow that. All right. Mr. Jordan, I'm going to give you 8 months probation, deferred adjudication probation. I'm going to fine you $400 or if you pay court costs. The DWI education course will provide proof that you've already done it. There's a TAP evaluation done to see if you need kind of drug or alcohol treatment. Driver safety course, a live at 25 course, 50 hours community service, and part of your punishment, we're going to take into consideration 664159. Good luck to you, sir. You need to stay on and talk to the probation department about what your obligations are, okay?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, good luck.
I'll be placed in a breakout room with my client Ernest Parker to go over the plea paperwork.
Sure.
Thank you.
And Judge, if I may approach for an announcement.
Just 1 second. Okay, Mr. Martinez, what do you want to say?
We got no file, Your Honor. The state is no, it's still a red file, does not have a file to do anything. On page 3, Mr. Michael Guerrero, 638-754.
Yeah, they said they were going to dismiss it.
They don't have a file either. I'm about to board a plane, Your Honor. Can I be recalled in the morning?
No, we're not going to have a court in the morning.
I've emailed Karina. I've messaged her right now. She has no file. She said she's going to dismiss it. Your Honor, I'm about to board a plane. I asked if I
All
could
right, be back Monday. You and your client back Monday.
That sounds great, Your Honor. Thank you for your patience.
Approach, Your Honor, it's Brian O'Donnell.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, regarding Miss Jeanette Martinez add-on case, my client is in contact with a company that will be able to help her do a theft class online this weekend, Judge.
Okay, and let's reset it for a week.
Very well, thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused along with my client?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, this is Joe Richardson, the approach.
Yes, sir.
I've been waiting in the wait out room. If you want me to wait all afternoon, I will. Nothing to do today except this, but it's a DWI. I'm not sure if they have the lab results yet or not. Don't really know.
Talk to him and find out.
Okay, may Jeff King talk to me right now?
I don't know.
Okay.
There's like 100 cases on the docket today. We have 2 prosecutors. Okay.
Wow, that's a lot. I will continue to go to the wait out room, waiting for
All right.
Jeff, somebody. Thank you.
Judge, this is
Okay.
Matt.
Yes, sir.
Judge, I've conferred with Karina this morning. Apparently, there's a delay in getting the paperwork done. My client is an add-on, Connor Cummings. Can we recall it to do a plea Monday morning and to get the paperwork done between them?
Yes, yes, sir. Make sure they got your email. We can
They
it
do,
then.
Your Honor. I have my client's email and everything else. I've conferred with Karina. She just it's gonna take her a while to get to it. My client has to work this afternoon, but we're willing to come back Monday morning.
Okay, Monday morning.
Thank you, Judge. Y'all have a good afternoon.
You too.
Judge, this is Rochelle Acevedo. May I approach?
Yes.
Judge, I have Michael Soto. I conferred with him. I relayed the offer. We would like to work it out. I have his email, but if we could get just a short reset for like a week to come back to take the plea.
You're going to take a plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we'll give you 1 week.
Thank you, Judge. Will Aleda give me that? She'll send it?
Yes, you need to wait.
We'll bring you back on March 10th.
Thank you, Aleda. May my client be excused, Judge?
Not until you make sure the state has his email. All right?
Okay.
Then we'll run into problems then.
I'm good.
And Judge, this is Jerry Kagan. You have a second?
Yes, sir.
So I have Brian Porter on page 1 and the prosecutor just signed the discovery The prosecutor wants me to get together a good guy pack. He called it a good guy pack. So I need some time for that.
Wait, I'll give you 1 week.
Okay.
You want to tell y'all thank you?
If someone can let my client know he's excused.
I know, I've been.
Okay, and that'll be March 10th.
Very good.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yes, sir. I have Miguel Andrade, 650064. I need to set it for a plea. I'm going to be talking to my client. If I could do March the 9th or 11th, that would be great, but I can make the 10th work. I hear Alita setting a lot for the 10th.
That's fine. 9th or 11th is fine with me.
Okay. Alita, would one of those work on your calendar?
The 9th?
Either the 9th or the 11th. Yes, ma'am.
The 9th.
Okay. Thank you so much. Judge, may my client and I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Make sure they have your email of your client.
I've already sent it to him when I conferred, and we also signed the discovery acknowledgement already.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Miss Vanessa Garcia, did you need to meet with somebody else?
Yes, I need to be placed in a breakout room with Mr. Ernest Parker to go over plea paperwork.
Okay, very good. Let me find you.
Thank you.
Judge, can I report back on my cases?
Yes, sir.
So I talked to, I guess, Jeffrey, the other prosecutor. They're going to submit dismissals on my client's new cases, and they're going to withdraw the MTR.
Right, even better.
I'll
Check back,
just-
though. You're not excused.
I told him that he's sending out the dismissals in right now, and I guess if Corey's available, I can chat with Corey as well, but he's going to send Corey a message about withdrawing it.
Okay, that's fine too. But you're not excused until it's done.
I can think of nothing better than to sit here and bask in your presence, Judge.
Okay, thank you. As soon as it's done, I'll let you know, and then you can go.
All right.
Robert, did you want to go in that breakout room with me?
Yeah, please, Corey.
Judge, it's Louis Martinez. My approach when you have a second.
1 second, just a second.
Yes, sir.
Who want to speak to me?
Judge, it was Louis Martinez.
Yes, sir.
Judge, I've got Fernando Flores, and we're trying to get a plea done on him, but he's on duty right now as an ER nurse.
I need to have him on right now. I'm going to do a bomb.
I'll get him on right now, Judge. We just I'm trying to see if we can. He's got a day off Wednesday. If we can bring him back then for a plea. I'll get him on right now, Judge.
Your Honor, I also wanted to approach.
A second.
Yes, sir.
And who wanted to post?
I did, Your Honor. Silverio Martinez, I have my hand up.
Okay, yeah, I see you now. Okay.
Yes, Judge, I had advised the court that I have 3 cases on the or 3 defendants actually on the docket for today, and all of them were set for pleas. I had done agreements to forfeit, but the plea agreement was not finalized yet. I just received them today by email. I would like to set it up for a plea if the court can set us up for March or sooner.
Huh? Okay, we'll do it Monday.
Monday's fine.
Okay. What cases though?
I have three defendants. One of them is, I'll start with Enedelia Ponce.
What pages are on?
Oh, I don't have the docket in front of me, but I do have the.
Page 3, Your Honor. It's
Okay.
page 3 on David Rodriguez. That's one of them. And on page 4,
Wait a minute, hold on, let me find David. Okay. Okay. What's the other one?
and then on page 4, Your Honor, in the middle of the page, it's about
Oh, yeah.
6 cases down.
Salazar and Ponce?
Yes, correct.
Those are the three, Mr.
That is
Martinez?
correct, Judge.
Okay, yeah, we'll send them all for Monday. Make sure the state has your email of your clients.
I have already exchanged that information. Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
May we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Martinez, Lewis, is your client on?
Judge, he should be the iPhone 13 Pro.
There he is.
Yes, sir. I'm
I'll
on.
set it for next week. He cannot be at work when we do this.
Okay. Okay. Well, the next day that he
In
can get
fact,
off.
I want him to come into court to do it.
Okay.
This is a courtroom. You don't work in the courtroom. This is supposed to be a courtroom. Okay? You make sure he understands that, Mr. Martinez.
I sure will.
All right. I want him back. You said Wednesday?
Wednesday is the next day he can get off, Judge.
All right. Wednesday. Tell him to be in courtroom in person.
Okay. Thank you. Excuse Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Both of y'all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Mauer, I dismissed the two cases you have. I'm still waiting on the MTR.
Yeah, Corey said he sent it to the prosecutor for his signature.
Okay.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Who's speaking? Yes, sir.
Andrew Priest. I had Jennifer Morales. She was on the recall docket.
Yes, sir.
We conferred. I believe we have an agreement for an obstruction. So we were asking if we could set it for a plea. I'm unavailable. I'm unavailable next week. I have a vacation letter on file through next Thursday.
All right, let's do it right now.
I actually have a doctor's appointment at 1 o'clock, Judge.
Hey, let's see if we can get it done before what time do you have to leave for your doctor's appointment?
My doctor's appointment's at 1:30.
Okay, then we got a half hour anyway. Get to work on it.
Okay, I guess if I could go into a breakout room with one of the prosecutors to let them know.
Sure. Well, if we get it done the next half hour, then you don't have any problem. Give you an hour to go.
And Your Honor, looks like I've already sent you the paperwork for Mr. Abel Dominguez's client.
Who is Hyde? Yeah, I signed it, but once I sign it, it goes away. I have to wait for it to come back or I can't see it.
All righty. Okay, Mr. Will Brooks, are you ready to make an announcement?
Yeah, so just that we're ready on our plea on Sarah Brown.
Okay, I think I have that one. I think. Let me look. I thought I had it. Hold on.
I saw that you signed it at 11:18, Judge.
Okay, maybe that'll help me. Okay, I got Sarah Brown. Sarah Brown,
Yes, Your Honor.
raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
This is 650-423, State versus Sarah Brown. Are you Sarah Brown, who is charged with the offense of theft? Is that you, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
And let me get a prosecutor, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm sorry.
See, Judge, this is Joe. May I make an announcement after this case is
No. Wait until we're through with the plea.
after the case is over.
Join us, Your Honor. Let me see. And while we wait for the
Aleda, I have just a quick question for the state on the paperwork. Do you mind if I can be placed in a breakout room to speak with Karina? Thank you.
and Mr. Miles Jordan, were you able to confer with the probation officer?
I was not.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room.
Thank you.
See you later.
Okay, we got a prosecutor. Good. Ms. Sanchez, we're doing 650-423, State versus Sarah Brown. Are you saying
Yes, sir.
Sarah Brown is charged with theft? Is that you, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Brooks, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under discovery rules?
Yes, I have, Judge.
State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Brown, I have some papers here from your attorney in the district attorney's office which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, sir.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand, ma'am, when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what could happen to you if you plead, is it right? Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have a right to a jury trial to contest or fight this case if you want to. Did you know that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
No, sir.
Then how do you plead to this offense, ma'am?
No contest.
Okay, you understand a no contest plea has the same legal effect as a guilty plea in misdemeanor court. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And knowing that, do you still wish to plead no contest?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna find the pleas voluntarily made. What's your recommendation, State?
You might rescind it.
A $250 fine with court costs, 180 days in the Bear County Jail probated over 6 months of community supervision,
Yes. Jeffrey
40 hours of community service,
dot AING
ATSE course,
at yahoo.com.
No contact with the Walmart at 918 Bandera Road.
Yeah.
And the state will TIC cause number 6666125, Your Honor.
Say the number again, 66.
I think that's pretty.
666-125.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Brooks?
No, Judge, it's actually our bargain was for deferred.
Oh, we need to talk to the prosecution.
I can do that, Judge.
All right, y'all go into a room. Come back and see me. All right, Mr. Mauer, I've signed everything on your case.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, and good luck.
I think.
Judge, may I approach the appropriate time?
1 second, yes, you can, but just 1 second.
Thank you.
Okay, yes, sir. What do you need, Mr.?
The state has not filed a case yet. I know you like to keep these things moving. I don't know how long the state needs.
All right, we're gonna give them 1 week to do it. And if they don't, then you file a motion for speedy trial.
Thank you.
Okay,
May my client not be excused?
yes, sir.
Thank you. I hope Destiny heard that. Thank you.
We're back, Judge.
Okay. State, what's your recommendation?
Yes, Judge. My apologies to the court for that mistake. The agreement, 200 and, yes, sir, $250 fine with court costs, 6 months deferred adjudication, 40 hours of community service, an ATSE course, a no contact order with Walmart on Bandera Road, which is 918 Bandera Road. And the state will TIC cause number 666-125.
Did you understand, Mr. Brooks?
Yes, it is, Judge.
All right, I'll go on with that. Ms. Brown, I'm gonna sentence you to 6 months of probation, deferred adjudication, $250 fine plus court cost, 40 hours community service, ATSE course, and you're gonna have no contact with the Walmart at 918 Bandera Road. And as part of your punishment, I'll take into consideration 666-125. Good luck to you, ma'am. You need to stay on and talk to the probation department about what your obligations are.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Brandon High, I got that one. who's Brandon High?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present.
All right, Brandon High, you ready? Are you Brandon High? Can't hear Mr. High.
Yes, sir.
I need to see you, Mr. High.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
All right. You said Mr. High is charged with DWI. Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This, I don't know if I said 634-125. Mr. Dominguez, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under discovery rules?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. High, I've got some papers here from the district attorney's office and your attorney, which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, sir.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes.
Did you understand, sir, that when you signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you end up pleading? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to. Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
No, sir.
All right. How do you plead to this offense, sir?
No contest.
You understand that a no contest plea has the same legal effect as a guilty plea in misdemeanor court. Did you understand?
Yes,
that?
sir. Yes, sir.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to find this pleas voluntarily made. State, what is your recommendation?
Yes, Judge, the state would move to amend the information by waiving the 0.15 enhancement and proceeding on it first.
Okay.
The agreement or the state's recommendation, $500 fine with court costs, 12 months deferred adjudication, 48 hours of community service, the DWI education program, victim impact panel, an ATP evaluation, and ignition interlock for half the term.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Dominguez?
Yes, it is, Your Honor. I would just like to make aware to the court, though, that my client does not currently have a vehicle, so we would ask for the in-home device in lieu of the ignition interlock.
Is there any vehicles at his home?
No,
Mr.
sir.
Hyder,
Hmm?
I'm sorry, say it again, Mr. Hyde. Are there vehicles at your home?
No, sir. I do not have any vehicles at my home.
Does anyone have a vehicle at your home?
No, sir.
All right. Yeah, you can have the handheld device. All right, I'm gonna give him 12 months deferred adjudication, probation, $500 fine plus court costs, 48 hours community service, DWI education course, victim impact panel, ATP evaluation, the ignition. Well, he can have the handheld device for a period of 6 months. All right. Good luck to you, sir. You need to stay on and talk to the probation department about what your obligations are. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Garza, did you need to approach the judge?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what's up, man?
Judge, we've got a conditional dismissal, so we'd like to reset this to maybe March 3rd or the 10th.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
I just need to get some information to the prosecutor.
What do you need to get to him?
Huh?
What do you need to get?
My client needs to write a letter.
Write a letter to who?
Yeah.
Write a letter to who?
Pardon me?
Write a letter to who?
It's just a general letter, Judge. On why
Is he writing one to you, or is he writing one to me, or is he writing a letter to?
he's writing one to Jeffrey. It's an essay on why people should not run away from police.
Okay, we'll set it for Monday. Everybody back Monday.
Okay, thank you.
Never.
Adrian, you got that? Sir, thank you. May we be excused, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Judge, may I approach?
Yes, sir.
So I'm here for Jason Goss this morning and, or Patrick Valentine. They're still caught up in stuff. I believe we were set for a plea on Andrea Acevedo.
Oh, we've got the paperwork done?
As far as I know, Patrick signed it and it should be complete. I don't have it, but I believe it's complete.
Okay, we'll talk to Andrea Acevedo?
Yes, sir. I see her on the Zoom. I believe Jeffrey worked it out with Patrick.
Yes, that's correct.
Do I have it?
I'm going to look right now, Your Honor.
Aleda, could I get put back in a breakout room with Ms. Brown?
Yes, right away.
Thank you, ma'am.
For Andrea Acevedo 661768, the client has not signed the plea packet. It is waiting on her.
There you go. Talk to her, Jay.
May I go into a breakout room with Ms. Acevedo?
Yes. All right, I have the paperwork on Parker. Is Mr. Parker, Ernest Parker?
He is in a waiting room. Let me get him. We have him join.
What do you need, Bill? Well,
Judge, I got an inmate on page 8. It's Mr. Hartfield, 674194.
okay.
He's got felonies pending and they're scheduled for tomorrow, Judge.
All right, well, let's set it for a week from now.
That works, Your Honor.
Okay.
And I'm happy to talk to him. I think he's here.
Yeah, it'll probably go away if he's got felonies.
Absolutely.
Okay. You need to talk to him.
Yeah, Judge. I've got a visit set up with him at 4. I can talk to him right now. I see him there on the screen.
Okay, well, either way, it's fine with me.
I'll talk to him now.
Okay, Ms. Castillo could put you in a room with him in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Okay, there's a gentleman there with an iPhone. Is your attorney Jeffrey Martinez, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the judge went ahead and reset you for Monday, the 28th, okay? You need to call your lawyer.
Okay. Okay.
Monday.
I was just asking because I started a job Monday, and I was wondering if it was possible to reschedule or.
You need to call your lawyer right now. Maybe we can do it now. Otherwise, you got to be back Monday.
Okay, thank you. Am I excused from this?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Ernest Parker is not back yet.
He's there, Your Honor.
Ernest Parker,
Yes.
raise your right hand, Mr. Parker. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Okay, this is cause number. Mrs. Garcia, are you around? Ms. Garcia,
Are you talking about Miss Sanchez or?
no, your attorney. Isn't it Ms. Garcia?
Yeah, let me get her. Okay, Your Honor, I think they were trying to cross all the Ts on the last Mr. Parker's case, and they'll be with you shortly.
Your Honor, before we do this next plea on Parker, may I speak with CLO Corey Richardson in a breakout room?
Sure.
Thank you.
All right, I'll be right back, Ms. Castillo.
Okay.
Alrighty, Ms. Aleda. So I'm gonna, Mr. Castro.
Let them know you need to go and you can go to medical. Go? Yes. Incoming? Yes. Okay, thank you, man. Yes, sir. Aquí en el front. Medical. No, this one. No, you don't.
Mr. Brandon, hi.
Yes, ma'am.
Were you able to talk to the probation officer?
No, I haven't spoken to anyone.
Okay, I put you in a breakout room. Can you go to breakout room 4? You
Oh,
should have
okay.
gotten the invite.
Okay.
Are y'all ready? And Parker,
Yes, Your Honor.
I need a prosecutor.
Mr. Parker, I'm going to send you a quick chat.
Okay, we got a prosecutor. All right, we're on 6344457 State versus Ernest Parker. You Ernest Parker?
Yes,
Charged with obstruction of highway. What are y'all doing on that state?
Yes, sir. The state would move to amend and alter the information by adding an additional count of obstruction, waiving and abandoning count 1, and proceeding on count 2.
You understand what you're charged with now, Mr. Parker?
yes, the obstruction, correct?
Correct. Ms. Garcia, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under our discovery rules?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, have y'all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Parker, I have some papers here from your attorney, the district attorney's office, which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes,
Have you signed these papers?
yes,
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you plead? Is that correct?
yes,
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this case if you want to. Did you know that?
yes,
Did you know you gave up that right?
yes,
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
no,
How do you plead to this offense?
guilty,
Anyone force you to plead guilty?
no,
All right, I'm gonna find this plea is voluntarily made. State, what is your recommendation?
A $500 fine with court costs, 18 months deferred adjudication, DWI education course, victim impact panel, a TAP evaluation, ignition interlock for half the term, 65 hours of community service, and a $60 reimbursement to Texas Department of Public Safety.
6-0?
Yes, sir, 60.
Is that your understanding, Ms. Garcia?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna put you on 18 months probation deferred adjudication, Mr. Parker. Or if you pay $500 fine plus court costs, DWI education course, the victim impact panel. There's to be an evaluation done to see if you need any kind of drug or alcohol treatment. Ignition interlock device is placed on all vehicles at your home for a period of 9 months. You have 65 hours of community service. And you're to pay $60 in restitution to the Department of Public Safety. All right, good luck to you, sir. You need to stay on, talk to the probation department about what your obligations are.
okay.
Your Honor, at this time, may I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good rest of your afternoon.
You too. What are you doing, Andrew?
Judge, I got put into a breakout room, I guess to let Mr. King know that we needed the paperwork. But I'd been in there for about 30 minutes and nobody came in. I do have the doctor's appointment at 1:30, Judge, which I,
All right, well, we set it for a week, okay? Or more than a week. When do you come to that?
I can do.
What's the Monday after you come to that? Are you all gone all next week? I can't hear you, Mr. Free.
I apologize, Judge. I could do it next Friday. I don't know.
No, Friday, I don't think she has a docket, so be the Monday after that.
I am back on the 3rd. However, I have 2 in-person hearings that I imagine will take most of the day, but I could do it the 7th, Judge, if that would be possible. On the 7th, Judge?
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge. And I will email Mr. King with my client's email information, and we'll have all of it done before the 7th.
Okay.
Priest, would you be able to call me after we get off of this call?
I'll call you later in the afternoon. I have a doctor's appointment that I have to leave for right now, but I will
Okay.
call you either later this afternoon or tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
And Judge, may I go into a breakout room with Jeffrey?
Sure.
Alita, may I go back into room 5, please?
Okay, looks like there's a Destiny Bree, BRI. Who is your attorney, Miss Bree? Okay, so that was. I think that was Joelle Richardson.
I have the paperwork on Acevedo, if y'all are ready.
Acevedo, okay, he's, the attorney is conferring with the client. He
Okay.
should be coming in. Okay, paperwork is ready, Mr. Norton.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
And let me,
Linear prosecutor.
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Okay, this is 661768, State versus Andrea Acevedo. Are you Andrea Acevedo?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. Solemnly swear to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Acevedo, are you, say Ms. Acevedo is charged with offense of driving while intoxicated. Is that you?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Mr. Norton, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under our discovery rules?
I believe so, Your Honor.
State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Acevedo, I have some papers here from your attorney, the district attorney's office, which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, sir.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, ma'am, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you end up pleading? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to. Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
No, sir.
All right, how do you plead?
No content.
You understand no contest plea doesn't help. It has the same legal effect as a guilty plea in the misdemeanor court. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You sure you want to do this?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna find her pleas voluntarily made. State, what is your recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor. We would recommend a 12 months deferred adjudication, a $100 fine, 12 hours of community service, court cost, a TAP evaluation, victim impact panel, DWI education.
12 hours community service and then what? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, 12 hours community service plus court cost, a TAP evaluation, victim impact panel, DWI education, and an ignition interlock for 1/2 the term.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Norton?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, I'm gonna put you on probation for 12 months, give you deferred adjudication probation. You're gonna pay a fine of $100, pay court costs, 12 hours community service. There's an evaluation done to see if you need any kind of drug or alcohol treatment. The victim impact panel, the DWI education course, and all the vehicles at your home have to have an ignition interlock device for 6 months.
Judge, may I address that? She does not have access to a vehicle currently. We have a portable.
If she lives at home with the vehicle, they have to have it.
I can't drive. My license expired and I cannot get a new one. So at the
Is
moment,
there a vehicle at your home, ma'am?
my parents, yeah, but
Your parents have to have one on their car, or you have to move out. Okay, stay on and make sure you understand what your obligations are under from the probation department. Okay,
yes, Your Honor.
And Andrea, when you're through with probation, will you give me a call, please?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Maybe excuse?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go to a breakout room with this other client. Hi, Judge Barron. Did you need to confer with the state?
Yes, please.
Mr. Eric, you just joined us. What is your name for the screen? Eric's? Yeah. What is your name? You need to unmute yourself.
The volume on, I'm not sure. I've only done it like 2 other times.
Okay, what is your name, sir?
Eric Munoz.
Who's your attorney?
Alma Benavides.
Okay. She must be busy in another court.
No, it's at 1:30.
1:30.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, just hanging tight. Let me see if we can get her in sooner.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Assign Brittany Hayes, is that a? Assign that one.
Yeah, okay, that was gonna be an acknowledgement so that we can go ahead and get a trial setting.
Right. Assign it.
Mhm. Okay, perfect.
And the same thing on Guillermo Romero. Assign that one as well.
Okay, good.
I just muted.
Okay, Mr. James Hunt is back. So did you need to approach the judge, Mr. Hunt?
Well, actually, what we're doing is we're waiting for an email back from the felony prosecutor to find out if the case will be taken into consideration with the felony cases. He pled on those on the 22nd, on one of those.
Okay.
If the court would recall us for tomorrow to find out, I might have additional details by then.
We don't have a
Okay.
doctor. We can do it on Monday.
Monday's fine. I'll probably know better. That way I could try to contact the prosecutor myself.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Good to see you, Judge.
Yeah, make you and the client back Monday. Take care.
Hello, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Was my lawyer present?
What's your name?
Eric Munoz, and she was Alma Benavides.
Do you know the number of your case?
Give me 1 second.
Okay, looks like that one's on page 7. It's the last one on that page.
No, sir. Well, my court date was supposed to be at 1:30, so I don't know if you want me to wait for her to get here or
Your
if you
court
want to
date is at
confirm.
it was at 10 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, I went ahead and re-invited her, Your Honor, to make sure that she comes in.
Yeah, she told me 1:30.
Well, she told you wrong.
So I missed it then, or?
Just hang on.
Yes, sir. Because I can send you the screenshots where she told me 1:30 because I work overnight and.
I believe you. Just hang on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm sorry, I had already signed for my plea deal and I had signed for everything else. Like it was supposed to be set today.
We're just waiting on your attorney. Just be patient.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, Alita, I'm back from conferring with Jeffrey.
Okay, your client is there. Did you need some to confer with him? Or you've got all his
No, we've been,
information?
actually, he and I have been texting back and forth while I was talking with Jeffrey, so.
Okay, well, good. Then you need to approach the judge.
So what, yeah, okay. Well, I don't know if you want me to tell you what's going on or wait and tell him, but.
Tell me.
Okay, Judge, hey, how you doing?
Fine.
So.
My
there's a-
attorney was supposed to be Almeida Benavides.
I understand that. Would you just please wait? Go ahead, Mr. Barron.
Sorry, Judge. So a couple items were involved, allegedly stolen. One, my client says was a gift to him. The other one, we don't know if whether the people got it back or whether it was, whether he's going to need to pay damages or whether they recovered it from the pawn shop. So Mr. King wants to reach out to these folks and find out what was going on. It's kind of a weird situation.
All right, set it for Wednesday.
Wednesday. All right. All right, Isaiah, it's gonna be Wednesday. I'll send you the information when I get it.
So Alma Benavides is not present today, is what I understand, correct?
Wait,
Mr. Munoz, please.
Mr. Munoz, would you please wait? This is Judge Angelini. I'm asking you to wait.
Okay, Mr. Anderson, your case is reset to March the 2nd. We'll see you back on March the 2nd, Mr. Anderson. Thank you.
Okay, I'm sorry, Your Honor. Have I been assigned a new attorney?
No, sir.
Basically, I'm telling you, you're a pussy. Damn it. Sit up, bro. Yeah.
I'm sorry, what can I do right now for you?
Heard from Alma?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, Ms. Benavides is here. I just, well, she was here. She must have stepped out, but I've got the paperwork and I'm gonna send it to you right now.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Mr. Munoz, please stay muted.
Attorney, when she talks to you, if she wants to talk to you, you'll be separated into different rooms in the phone. So just be you two talk by law. Planning attorney.
Ms. Watkins, Ms. Koger, is your attorney coming back?
He told me that he was going to send me the paperwork and for me to sign it, and that's all he told me.
Have you received it already?
Not yet.
Okay. You may want to text him and see taking care of
Sorry, I
that.
don't mean to interrupt. I just got notification that Mr. Watkins just signed that paperwork. So it should be going to the next email listed, which would be Ms. Koger's. So hopefully she'll be receiving that soon.
Okay.
Aleda, I don't know if you can hear me or not.
I can hear you.
Hi, Judge. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I just need to chat for a quick minute with Jeff.
Okay.
Thank you. And then we'll be ready to go forward.
And Mr. Locke, are you here for an announcement on a case? You're here on what case, Mr. Locke?
Morning, Your Honor, or good afternoon, Your Honor, or Judge.
What's up?
I have Mary Grace Ramos. I'm going to get her on. If I could confer with the prosecutors, she's going to appear shortly.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, on this one. We're ready on the plate? Eric Munoz?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
All right, this is cause number 673-107, State versus Eric Munoz. Are you Eric Munoz? Mr. Munoz? Mr. Munoz?
You know what? I think he's might be in the breakout room. Wasn't he conferring? What happened to him? He was here, Miss Benavides.
Left when you told him to stay muted or later.
No, he went into a breakout room
Oh,
with
did he?
Miss Benavides. And he might have just moved out.
Miss Benavides, get him.
Uh-huh. And okay, I think that may be him. Who's that?
Eric Munoz?
No, it's I think that's Mr. Shannon Locke's client. No, no. Who is she? Mary Grace iPhone? You need to connect to the audio. Okay. Mary Grace iPhone. Who is your attorney? Grace Ramos. Okay.
Eric Munoz? Eric Munoz?
Mary Grace Ramos.
Mr. Benavides, get him on here in the next 5 minutes. There's the bond filter.
He's coming in.
All right. Eric Munoz?
Your Honor, I'm here for Ms.
No.
Ramos.
Mr.
I
Locke.
apologize.
Eric Munoz.
Yes, Your Honor.
I need to see your face. Okay, raise your right hand. Are you Eric Munoz? You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is cause number 673-107, State versus Eric Munoz. Are you saying Mr. Munoz is charged with DWI? You put your hand down. Is that you?
Yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Benavides, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under our discovery rules? Ms. Benavides?
She's not helping out. My attorney.
It was here a second ago. What happened to her?
Yeah, she might have been dropped off while trying to get a hold of his client. Let me do a re-invite.
Can you see me, Mr. Munoz?
Yes, sir.
Effective assistance counsel. Reset. Is that happening?
I'm sorry, my sister keeps trying to call me. Were you addressing me?
No. We're trying to get your attorney back. She was on here a second ago.
We were just speaking and she just.
My apologies. I was just speaking to her. I don't know what happened.
Okay, you just need to stay on. All right, Ms. Benavides, have you received
sir.
everything you, Mr. Munoz, you need to stay on. Ms. Benavides, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under discovery rules?
Yes, Your Honor.
Say, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Munoz, I have some papers here from your attorney in the district attorney's office which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, sir.
I need to see your face, Mr. Munoz. Have you read these papers?
Yes, sir.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you plead? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to. Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
No, sir.
All right. How do you plead to this offense?
No contest.
You understand no contest plea doesn't help in misdemeanor court. Has the same legal effect as a guilty plea. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to find this plea as voluntary made. State, what is your recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor. We are asking for 180 days, Bear County Jail, probated for 12 months, a $500 fine with 1/2 suspended, 60 hours of community service, an ATP evaluation, APSE, APSE, DWI education, victim impact panel live, and because he lives with his girlfriend and neither him nor her have a vehicle, we are unopposed to Smart Start Mobile for 1/2 the term. TIC case number 677133.
Is that your understanding, Ms. Benavides?
Yes, Your Honor, and also that the state has agreed to waive the enhancement.
Yes. Okay. Sir, I'm gonna give you 180 days in the Bear County Jail. I'm gonna suspend that sentence, place you on probation for 12 months, fine you $250, you're to pay court costs, 60 hours community service, the ATP evaluation, the APSE course, the DWI education, victim impact panel live, and Smart Start license for a period of 6 months, and part of your punishment, take into consideration 677133. You need to stay on and talk to the probation department about your obligations, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Do you want to put me in a breakout room with probation also?
Yes, if you like.
Yes, thank you, Judge.
Thanks, Your Honor.
What you need, Shannon? What's up?
Yes, sir. I'm here on Mary Grace Ramos. We're asking that that be recalled for Tuesday, so that we can, the state can do a little bit of looking, get us an offer, and we can make sure we have all our discovery.
That's fine with me.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'll be in touch, Mary. Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
Yes.
Maybe
Thank
excuse,
you.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I'm waiting for the paperwork to come back on Kroger. I signed it, but it didn't come back.
Defense is in here as well. I don't know if he accidentally dropped off.
Mr. Watkins, find him.
Apparently, he's in front of Judge Ozumba, and I told the assistant to let him know that, he's the only one on the case, and we're waiting on him.
She could take forever. There he is. Let's go. Let's get Ms. Coger on.
Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Coger?
I'm here. I'm starting my video.
Okay. Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
I do.
Okay. Would you please pronounce your first name for me?
Shoshana?
Shoshana. Are you Shoshana Coger, who is charged with the offense of obstruction of highway? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
State, do y'all have a motion?
Yes, Judge, the state would move to amend and alter the information by adding account number 2, obstruction, waiving and abandoning count 1 and proceeding on count 2 only.
You understand what you're charged with now, Ms. Coger?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Watkins, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under discovery rules?
Yes, sir, we have, Judge.
Okay. State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Coger, I have some papers here from your attorney and the district attorney's office which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, ma'am, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you understand what you're charged with and you understand what could happen to you if you plead? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have a right to trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to? Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone force you or make you do that?
No, sir.
All right. How do you plead to this charge, ma'am?
I plead guilty.
Did anyone force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
All right. I'm going to find your plea is voluntarily made. State, what is your recommendation?
Your Honor, that is a $400 fine with court costs, 14 months deferred adjudication, DWI education course, victim impact panel, a TAP evaluation, ignition interlock for half the term, and 45 hours of community service.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Watkins?
It is, Judge.
All right, Ms. Cover, I'm going to go along with that. I'm going to give you 14 months of probation, deferred adjudication type probation. You're to be fined $400. You're to pay court costs, the DWI education course, the victim impact panel. There's to be an evaluation done to see if you need any kind of drug or alcohol treatment. And ignition interlock device placed in all vehicles at your home for a period of 7 months. And you're served 45 hours of community service. Now, you need to stay on and talk to the probation department so you understand what your obligations are, okay?
And
Okay, sir.
Judge, if I may briefly, before the records close, she completed the DWI education victim impact panel. She performed 40 hours of community service at the food bank and made a donation. If there's any way Ms. Coger can get credit for those items, we'd greatly appreciate it.
She shows evidence that she's done that. I'll give her credit for all of that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck to you, Ms. Cover.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, sir.
You have a good afternoon, Judge. Thank you.
You too.